There are numerous ways to earn money online, and the opportunities continue to grow as technology advances. Here are some popular methods to consider. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services online as a freelancer. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to find clients for various tasks such as writing, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, and more. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys or market research studies offered by companies looking for consumer feedback. While not incredibly lucrative, they can provide some extra income. Selling products online. Set up an online store on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon to sell handmade items, vintage products, or even dropship products from suppliers. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and monetize it through advertisements, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. Online tutoring and teaching. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring or teaching services through platforms like VIPKid or Teachable. Remote work. Look for remote job opportunities with companies that allow employees to work from home or work remotely. Stock photography and video. If you're skilled in photography or videography, you can sell your work through stock image and video websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from other companies through affiliate links on your website or social media. When people make purchases through your links, you earn a commission. App and website testing. Join platforms that pay users to test websites and apps, provide feedback, and identify potential issues. Online investing. Consider investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other financial instruments through online trading platforms. Drop shipping. Set up an online store and partner with suppliers to fulfill orders directly to customers, eliminating the need to handle inventory. Online gaming and esports. If you're skilled in gaming, you can participate in esports competitions or stream your gameplay on platforms like Twitch, and earn revenue through ads, donations, and sponsorships. Remember that earning money online usually requires time, effort, and sometimes initial investment. Be cautious of scams and do thorough research before getting involved in any online money-making opportunity. Additionally, be patient and persistent, as it may take time to see substantial results.